So I hope you're ready to go on a little ride today because we're going to read another Elephant and Piggy book. Yes, ready? I'm excited. This one, okay. I was going to say this one is super fun. I say that all the time. But this one is a hoot. You ready, guys? Okay. Let's Go for a Drive by Mo Willems. Let's go for a drive. Let's go for a drive. Let's go, go, go. Go for a drive. Anyway, it's a catchy little dance, okay? Piggy, I have a great idea. Let's go for a drive. That sounds fun. Drive, drive. Drivey, drive, drive. Drive, drive. Wait. If we are going on a drive, we need a plan. A plan? First, we need a map. I have a map. Get that map. Zip. You cannot go for a drive without a map. I have the map. Zap. Drive, drive. Drivey, drive, drive. Map, map. Mappy, map, map. Wait! It might be sunny while we drive. We need sunglasses. I have sunglasses. Get those sunglasses. Zip. Bringing sunglasses on a drive is smart planning. I have the